So I have decided that I'm going to share some extra recipes with you guys. These are things that I am going to be cooking on a daily basis, things I'm cooking for my family, and I'm just going to film it very simply so I can share a new recipe with you every single day for the next few days. Today I am making a really nice soup which my kids love. It's a leek and potato soup. It's so simple. It is absolutely divine, and I've got some fresh sourdough to go with it today. I'm going to make a comforting, nice soup, really easy. I have got a couple of leeks, a couple of carrots, some celery stick, and some red potatoes. You can use other potatoes if you have others at home, and I'm now going to chop all these up. And to start, I am going to chop 3 celery sticks. Now I've got the chopped celery, the chopped carrots and chopped leeks in a pan on medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and cook this for 5 minutes. This has been cooking for 5 minutes, and to this I'm going to add a big dollop of salted butter and cook for another 5 minutes, just so the leeks release their flavor, and it will add more to the end soup. I have also got 5 big garlic cloves. I'm going to roughly chop these and add it to the veg. Next I'm going to roughly chop these 3 potatoes and wash and then add them to the other vegetables. Now let it just sizzle on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes so that some of the onion edges can caramelize. This is now looking lovely. You can see some bits are charred, which is all going to give you amazing flavor. It smells incredible. And now I'm going to add 700 ml of vegetable stock to this. Next, I'm going to cover, lower the heat, and cook this for 35 to 40 minutes. It has been 30 minutes, half an hour, and I'm going to check. So, oh, beautifully cooked, beautifully cooked. So I'm going to not cook it anymore. Just to let you know, I cooked this for 30 minutes and now I'm going to blend it to a smooth soup. This is smelling incredible, and I said initially to cook it for 40 minutes, but actually maybe I've chopped the potatoes smaller. It's done in 30 minutes, and now I'm going to blitz it. Sometimes if my kids are not eating it, I would happily have this with bits, chunky pieces, because it does taste amazing, but I'm going to blitz it today. It's going to go back in the same pan. Look at that. I'm going to add another 400 ml to this soup because it's a bit too thick. And mix it all up and very quickly bring it to a boil, and then add the seasoning. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And to finish, I'm going to add some chili flakes to go on top. Obviously, if you don't want it, you can skip it. It smells and the cheesy toast is ready, and it's ready to be dipped into the soup. Look at this gorgeous soup. It's time to tuck in. It is. It's absolutely delicious. Isn't it, kids?
Yes.
Yeah? Good?
Yes.
They love it. So that's a good thing. So good. That addition of butter while you're cooking the leeks is really nice. Just the carrot adds to it, and everything is fantastic. It's so easy. You've seen how quickly we got it ready, and hope you will give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back here with a brand new recipe very, very soon. So good. Absolutely
Oh, you have
delicious.
showed me your YouTube video.